segue over here. Mr. Drew Gunn in a 2022 Jeep Gladiator. This thing's pretty cool, man. I really dig it. So he has a completely different setup for the most part as compared to the Jeep that's right next to it. So this headlight here is part of our HD series headlight. So the headlights themselves are full spectrum color change. They actually have over 120 different rotating and spinning effects. The whole thing, it's a really cool thing because you want party mode, you can have them spin in red, white, and blue, the full rainbow. I don't know, the world is your oyster with this headlight product for accenting your vehicle. These fender lights are actually a universal fender light for your Jeep JLs and JTs. So essentially it's this 3-pod light. It comes with a 3/4 inch penny light as well. They have a white DRL and an amber turn signal. So if you go with a set of aftermarket fenders like these DV8s here, or you just do a full fender chop, you can actually mount these to the body mount. You can screw them directly into the fender. They are fully plug and play and 100% plug into your Jeep's harness, guaranteed to not cause any dash errors or issues regardless of if you have the LED or halogen lighting package. Moving around, you almost got me, Drew. I see it here. Look at this little cube light hiding right there on that knuckle bracket. So, looks super awesome. The one thing that I'm gonna give a shout out to our cubes for a knuckle bracket location is the way that the faceplate is covered. It has a piece of die-cast aluminum covering most of the polycarbonate, so with very little lens material exposed, when a light is down low, it is very prone to rock chips on the road. Our light definitely offers a little bit more protection compared to different alternatives in the industry. We've got our Blackout series taillights here on the rear, so really awesome product. These are gonna have a nice halo ring as the running light. When you hit the brakes, they are going to light up. They look very similar to the factory option, but they are not bright red. They are blacked out and they fit the nature of this build absolutely perfectly. Love the way that he tied the graphics, everything in. Honestly, Nick, knocked it out of the park with this one. I love the orange too. I mean, I might be biased, you know, Quake LED, black, orange. I like it. Once again, I guess both of these Jeeps, man. Where's the flex ramps? Dude, Acura, what have you done? It's awesome.